What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make your first $100 online. Now, if you're like most people, the first dollar is so hard to make. Just $1. And I'm talking about making 100. Now, I'm not talking about selling 100 things and making $1 off each one. I'm going to show you a way that you can start making money right now. And it's something that you probably already know. But let me show you why most people are not making any money. All right. First thing, if you're like most people, you are listening to ideas and suggestions, but you are not applying yourself to the process. Is that you? Now, I can tell you firsthand from my own experience, I did this as well. When I first got into real estate, I was listening to all the ideas. I was listening to what they recommended and the suggestions and their tips, but I didn't apply anything. And back when I started real estate, that was back in 2007. Okay, so a while ago. But I was learning all these things, but I wasn't applying what I learned to actually make any deals happen. And that's one of the biggest mistakes I made then. I don't want you to make those exact same things, but, and again, two different animals. Real estate, making your first $100, they're different things. But what you got to understand is it all starts with the process. Yes, you can listen to suggestion after suggestion, idea after idea about how to make money online. But if you don't actually apply those principles and what you learn into something, into a proven process, you'll never make any money. Yes, you may make a little bit of money here and there. You're going to dabble back and forth. Eventually, you're going to have to go get a full-time job because you're not making it work online. I don't want that to happen to you. All right, second thing, why you aren't making any money. You focus solely on big end results and not small daily wins. Is this you? So what's a big end result? A big end result would be, I want to be a millionaire. Small daily wins would be, I want to make $100 a day. That's a small daily win. If you can't make $100 in a day, what are the odds you're going to be a millionaire? Right? Pretty small. Okay? So let me know down in the comment section below. First, give this video a thumbs up and then put a comment down below. What is your number one small daily goal? It may just be wake up and not smoke a cigarette. Okay? I don't care if it's financial or not. It may be just I don't want to smoke, or I want to get up and I want to go to the gym. That's my number one goal. I want to be healthier, or I want to get up and I want to list 2 items on eBay, or I want to go to check out this real estate property, or I want to do this. I want to get 10 new subscribers on my YouTube channel. You have a goal. What is it? Let me know down in the comment section below. All right? But let me tell you a story. Let me tell you a story about one of the things that I did. Okay? This refers to my affiliate marketing business back in 2007. So for those of you who don't know, I started back in like 2006 with my whole online business. I haven't been doing this doing affiliate marketing only. I've been doing a lot of different things, but I started out doing affiliate marketing. Here was my mistake. I had a website. It was called weeklyromance.com. Terrible site. Something that I end up, anyway, not gonna get off on that. But it was called weeklyromance.com. I was 18 years old, something like that, and I thought I knew about romance and relationships and dating and marriage and all this stuff, which I didn't. But I was writing about it. Here's what I took out of this lesson. This is what I want you to understand. My goal was to make $100 a day from this one website. That website never got there. That website never got to $100 a day. It was profitable. I was making money. But what I ended up doing is switching from a big end result, $100 a day, to small daily wins. I changed from one website to about 15 to 20 different websites. I don't know the exact number now. It's 10 years later. But like 15 to 20 different websites that I had to put content on. And eventually I was making $100 a day. Because I was making $5 from this website, $18 from that website, $1.50 from that one, $6 from there, $4.85 from that website. Again, all these numbers are really made up as far as my daily income. But it took me it was like 15 to 20 different websites in order to get to $100 per day. That number is not made up. Okay? And that didn't happen overnight. It took a while. But that's what I want you to understand, is use these ideas, these suggestions, and put that into a proven process. What I did was I did affiliate marketing. Okay, find something that works for you. Just because affiliate marketing works for me does not mean it's going to work for you. Does not mean you're going to love it as much as I did and still do. Some people don't like it. Some people do. So decide what you want to do. Okay, here's the third reason why you aren't making any money. You jump from idea to idea. Now, maybe you do this, maybe you don't, but my guess is you do. You probably remember, I just mentioned this. I was doing affiliate marketing, right? I wasn't just doing affiliate marketing in the very beginning. I was doing affiliate marketing, freelance writing, SEO for other companies. I was doing website sales. I was selling physical websites to other people. I'd create them, I'd buy them, I'd create them, make them, sell the whole website, and I'd flip domain names. That's what I was doing. I was jumping from idea to idea, and I wasn't making as much money as I should have, simply because I wasn't focused on that one thing. This is one of the reasons why now I spend a lot of time. I'll spend days or weeks at a time focused on one thing. Sometimes it's creating my newest course. Sometimes it's putting all the articles, everything into my new website, launching it, getting traffic, hiring the right people to continue to write for it, continue to manage the site, all that stuff. Okay? Sometimes I'll spend a couple of days just sitting here thinking about ideas. Maybe I'll be sitting at the gym or sitting at the park or wherever it's at, in the pool, at the beach. It doesn't matter where I sit, but I'll spend that time just thinking, running through my head, different ideas on how to make money. Or, okay, my website business is doing this much now. What if I changed this thing and it started doing a little bit better? Okay, I'm just running through the processes. Now, that's something that you need to understand. Here, what I want to show you is I ended up buying this item. Okay, and again, this is not just an idea or suggestion. This is a proven process. It does work. It's called retail arbitrage. So yes, I'm not just gonna talk to you about what you should be doing in order to make money. I'm gonna give you an idea right now. This item right here, it's called a Healy or Hellion Weber. It's a knee brace. So this is a decent size or decent condition or decent brand, whatever you want to call it, knee brace. This is what it's going for right now on eBay. Okay, I actually have two of them. You can see them right here. I'll show you those in a second. But this is the knee brace. This one, it's a size extra large. The other one, I have one size extra large, one's a large. So if you look here, now they're not these, they're not the full hinged ones, but it's looking like these right here. Okay, I ended up picking both these up for 50 cents a piece. 50 cents a piece, both came in a box. Okay, so what I'm showing you here is the process that actually works. So if you look here, let's go up to the top a little bit. Let's just say it's this one right here. Okay, it's not this one, but let's just say it is, or this one right here. If I paid 50 cents a piece for each one of these, brand new condition, still in the box. The box is a little bit torn up, but it's a medical supply. They are a little bit rough on their stuff. Let's say I can sell it for $20. That's with shipping, $20, and I paid 50 cents for it. I'll probably be making about $14 to $15 off each one of these, which doesn't seem like a lot of money, but if you factor in they're only two items, it's actually pretty good money. So why am I telling you this? This is an item I picked up at a garage sale. Okay, this item, same thing. This one right here, this one's the large. This one right here is extra large. It's for a patellar tendon. You can see, again, you probably don't care, but I'll show it to you anyway. Some people might care. You see right here, it has this thing. It moves it and whatever. Okay, anyway. I actually have one of these. But the whole point of why I'm showing this is because this is a process that works. You buy an item, it's called retail arbitrage. If you don't know what to buy, I'll put a free guide down in the description box below. Just profitable products that you can go out there and get. Okay? And then I'll put another guide. It's not a free guide. The second one won't be, but it's 10 profitable items every reseller should know. So if you are a reseller or if you want to get into reselling, that means buying a product for 50 cents or $1, $2, $5, whatever it costs you, and selling it for 20 bucks. If I pay $1 for this item, this very, very light item, and ship it in this box, what's going to happen is shipping's not going to cost me very much. eBay fees aren't going to be very much, so I can make some money. It costs me $1, sell it for 20. I come out, make 12, 13 bucks, right? Pretty simple. It's a proven process. It's not just an idea, not just a suggestion like, hey, go invest in Bitcoin, it's going up. There's no guarantee it's going up. When you buy something today and you look on eBay or look on Amazon or Craigslist or Facebook, wherever, and you see, oh, they're selling for $20, that's almost a guarantee that, okay, I can sell it for 20 bucks. There's no guarantee in Bitcoin. There's no guarantee in stocks. There's no guarantee in real estate. Again, there's no guarantee in reselling, but you know how to do it. It's something that you've probably done before. Like I said in the beginning of this video, it's something that you know how to do. You just don't do it. Why? I have no idea. It's a simple, proven process that will help you go from $0 to $100. Okay, maybe you're not in the United States or you're not in, wherever eBay is available. Do you have Craigslist? Because I guarantee you, go on to Craigslist and see what people are looking for. Click on the wanted. Click on the wanted, see what people are looking for, then go and find that same item over in the classifieds. What's going to happen is if you are willing to put in the work, okay, find that item, negotiate the price, I guarantee you, you can find a seller that's willing to sell it for less than the other person's willing to buy it for. You make the difference, you make that 100 bucks. Okay? Again, it's another easy, simple, proven process. Not just an idea or a suggestion. It actually works. So, get out there, start making that money. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what is the one most important thing you are going to do today. I want to know that down in the comment section below. But again, if you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.